Hey, what's up guys, it's Barkut here and welcome to the Google Ad course, and in this lesson I am going to cover all types of assets or extensions. So if you don't know, there are a couple of extensions in Google Ad. It's called site links, call extensions, call out, image extensions, and instructor snippet. So I will cover everything actually in this lesson. So this is lesson 7, and if you have not checked my previous lessons, so I will highly recommend you to check all of my previous lessons where I discussed about the Google Ads, the fundamental things, and also how to create a campaign from scratch and how to create the conversion tracking and everything in Google Ads. And I believe you will love all of my content in this series. So yeah, let's get started in this lesson today. So to add all of these extensions, you just need to create the Google Ad campaign first, and I believe I already recorded this video on the lesson 6, how to create Google Ads campaign from scratch. And if you don't watch this video, please watch this video first. And here you can see this is the old layout which I am using. So to add the extension, you just need to click on the add and assets, and under add and asset you will find the assets, and just click on the assets, and you can see there are like lots of assets. Previously it was called as extension, but right now it's called asset. Basically these are both are same term, so yeah, don't be like worried about anything. So as you know that this course is only for the local lead generation, local businesses. So I will probably use couple of extensions. So generally I use site link, call out, structure snippet, call, and the location. So first you just need to create the site link. So just click on the site links here and click on the plus button, and you can see Google will show you 4 site link assets. So when I make the landing page, so this is the must thing I do. I just use some anchors. So if I click on the services anchor, it just redirect to the services part, and if I click on the review anchor, it just redirect to the review anchor. So this is the thing actually. So you just need to make sure that you are sending traffic only just one page. So that's why I just use this kind of anchor. So the process pretty easy for me to like sending all of my ad traffic on one page. So for site links, I will use this link first as a services. So I just copy and paste this whole URL. So if I browse this, so you can see this is just redirect to the main section. So that means once someone click on this link from my site link, so they will just land on these sections directly. So I will copy and paste here as the final URL, and I will site link text, it should be our services or something. Yeah, our services. And as a descriptions, let me see, we guarantee good services. So we guarantee good services. And on the part 2, let's say call us for free estimate. So one is done, one site links is done. So and I will scroll to the second one, site link 2. Let me see which I can use. Probably I can use this review one. Yeah, I will copy this link from here and use as a final URL, so that people can click on this link from my site links, they can directly land on these sections. And I will let me see, maybe our reviews, or something. And then site links, how many reviews we have. Let's say we have 50 plus. Read our 50 plus 5-star reviews, something like this, and call for service today. And for site link 3, let's see our project ones. Just copy and paste this URL and just paste it on the final URL part, and I will just call it our recent projects. Yeah, and on here probably check all of our recent projects here. Projects here, that's fine, no problem. And site link 4, you can see there are nothing left on the anchor. So probably I will use the main URL, because I know that I can use this main URL, there is no doubt about it. Or let me see, yeah, I can use the get a code. If I click on this get a code, so let me show you one more time. So if I click on the get a code now, so you can see it's redirect to the like from. I can use it, or maybe I can use the main landing page URL. So probably I will use it today. So let me copy and paste here, and then the button text would be the get my free code now, or maybe free estimate, or maybe get a free estimate or something, right? And on the descriptions one, let me see what I can write actually. Let's say, locally owned and operated, or also I can use this one. We offer Phoenix, which is a good one. So I will copy and just paste it, and here call now for free estimate. That's it. That's fine. Or callers now for today or something. Yeah, that's fine. And you just need to make sure that where you are at, going to add these site links. So you can do a couple of things here. You can add site links on the ad group level, on the campaign level, or on the account level. I typically do on the account level, so that I don't need to create any site links if I create any ads later on, or maybe any campaigns later on. But I just want to make sure that if you make any types of different campaign, like using different types of landing page on different campaign, so you need to make sure that your site links are updated on the campaign level. So I'm just telling you so that you are aware of this. And just hit save. So our site links extensions are done. So you can see they're all done. And then what are the next? Just call out extension. Just click on the call out, and I don't use these headline and descriptions, and you can't use the business name and business logo until you are verified. So because this is a dummy account, so I don't have the verifications for my business, so that's why I'm just skipping this too. Then call out. So to add caller extensions, you just need to click on the plus button here, and also same thing, you can use caller extensions on the account level, campaign level, or ad group level. So typically I use on the account level, so I just copy and paste some caller extensions to show you. So free estimate, and maybe this one is good because we are certified or kind of things, prove that. And then fast and reliable, I can say. Then term removal included, probably I can use it, not a big deal. Then safe and efficient, probably I can use it. Again, it depends on the businesses and business nature, and again I can use it locally owned and operated. So yeah, if you're not sure what types of call out you need to use, so what I do actually, I just copy and paste all of the landing page content and just go to ChatGPT and just ask ChatGPT, write 10 to 15 call out extensions based on this content for my Google ad campaign or something, and ChatGPT will give you some great content. I mean, I'm not saying it's great, but you just need to polish this content to be good or to be great something. So I think for now it's okay to show you. I hit save, and our call out also done. And next is structure snippet, and add structure snippet, I just click this plus button. So to add structure snippet, you just need to make sure that you select the right header. So this is a service based business, so I need to select a header. I will use this one, service catalog, and this is a tree removal business. So again, I just ask some tree removal business related services. Let's say tree removal, and this would be one good values here. And second should be storm grinding and removal. It's a good one. I can use it because this is the kind of services tree removal company provide. And third would be this one, tree trimming and pruning. Yeah. So for now, let me add one more. Yeah, I think this one lot clearing is fine. I'll copy here and just paste it here. So yeah, for now I think it's fine, and I just hit save. So I have the structure snippet as well. Call extensions, you just need to make sure that if you don't have any tracking number, you can use your client's directly number here. But I use a tracking number so that I can track all of the phone calls for my clients, and I can listen all of the phone calls, like what types of or what quality they are getting from Google Ads or something. But you just make sure that you are following the Google recommended structure or something. So I will use this one, let's say this one. So I will just use these structures. If you have already set up your conversion tracking, there should be two types of things. One should be call from ads, and one should be call from extensions. So I just set up separately call from extensions conversion actions on the conversion tab before set up the campaign, so that I can track all of the calls from site links, and also I can track all of the calls from our landing page separately. I just distinguish these both things. One is call from ads and one is call from extensions. So for now I am just using this one, call from ads for now, and hit save. I think yeah, that's fine. And last one I use on the local lead generation campaign. Last one is location extensions. So to add location extension on the campaign level or account level, you just need to click on this location and click on a plus button. But one thing you need here actually, if you don't have your or maybe your clients like GMB profile, I mean Google My Business profile access, you can't add it. So let's say for myself, I do have a Google My Business profile for my own business, so but I can use it, like let's say our locations, and hit continue. And here is the thing, so see Google My Business, and here I can see this is my business. I already grouped down my businesses on the Google My Business profile, so this is my business. And if I hit continue, it will be added. But I don't want to add here because I already added my Google My Business profile with another Google ad account, so that's why I'm not doing this thing right now. I think you got my point, how you can add your location extension on the Google ad with your Google ad campaign. And I believe I covered all of the extensions for now. These all the extensions I generally use on my campaigns when I set up a campaign, and this is only for local lead generation. I think I covered all of these things. I mean the extensions or assets, what types of assets you need to set up a campaign properly. And this is the lesson 7 int. So if you want to learn more about the Google ad, please watch the next lesson as well. And on the next lesson I will cover the negative keyword, how I exclude all of my competitors' name from my Google ad account. So it's pretty straightforward, but there is a trick I will share on the next video. So if you like this video, just hit on the like button and subscribe this channels to get this kind of tips and tricks on Google ads. And I will explain everything about the Google ads you need to know. I can guarantee you that you don't need to purchase any paid course if you watch my whole course, plus if you follow all of my videos on this channel. So I believe you don't need to purchase any types of courses in near future. I hope you like this content. So for today, that's enough for my end, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.